Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Journal Eclectique. My name is Carole. So today I am working on a new project. It's from a shop, these papers are from a shop named Croc Odile. So it's Odile Brochier. She's French and she contacted me to be a guest design team member, or maybe just a regular member, who knows. And she asked me if I wanted to play with one of her kits, and I decided to use the Sur les bancs d'école. Alors, sur les bancs d'école, ça veut dire on the school bench. So this is what it looks like. So lately I've had a go at my organizing pad. So this is what it looks like. This was a line dot arrow freebie, and I decided to make this out of it. And I thought it would be great to make like a desk for the kit of Odile. So there is my idea. So now I'm going to make sure that my desk is square. And for that, I will have to turn this up. And I will have to pick a side that is... So I think this side is the better one. I'll take this out. This out too. Always be careful when using your craft knife. I'm going to turn around since I am right-handed. And the thing is, you just need to pick a side and make it straight. So let's go with this. No, don't move. So this is going to move. I'm gonna need to maybe like this. So I did come across this paper. So this is a wallpaper and it is gorgeous. So I am going to use a piece of this and cover my paper. This down right away. Actually, good thing that it glues nicely. So, there we go. This is gonna go on this side, and this gonna go on this side. This will be my desk. So this will be like the workbook. And this would be like the real book that you learn from. That's at least my idea for now. So I will leave this to dry properly and I will come back with more ideas.